our channel, the Topper Chef channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Alfredo sauce. I make my Alfredo sauce. So about 4 tablespoons of olive oil. I like olive oil and butter in it. So it's not very rich. And so this is how we're going to start with this. Okay, now my oil is nice and hot. To this I'm going to add my garlic paste and simmer this garlic paste for some time. I love paste, everything paste, garlic paste and onion paste. All these paste recipes are there at topperchef.com. Okay, so here I have in my olive oil garlic paste and onion paste, and all these recipes, how to make all this paste, are at my channel, the YouTube channel, the Topper Chef channel. So now we are sauteing this thing, maybe for 1 minute. Let the aroma of this nice paste get into the oil. I added some butter. Let this butter melt properly into this garlic. So this is a very nice and aromatic and rich sauce, but here we have not used too much cream. The flavor is going to come from the cheeses. Okay, now I'm going to add my cream and white sauce to this mixture and this fantastic nutmeg and pepper. Always use white pepper to this sauce because you don't want to make it black. Okay, just simmer it, let it all blend together. As you can see, the sauce has thickened up nicely. You got to keep it on a low flame. And here is my cheeses. This is 1 cup of Romano and 1 cup of Parmesan cheese. So blend it properly in this sauce. Don't let it stick to the pan. Just blend it nicely, slowly on low heat. Okay guys, so now we're going to add some salt. Now to tell you, you always got to check on the salt because some of the cheeses are very salty. Plus my white sauce, I've added salt and pepper in it. So be careful when adding salt to it. So here you are, my sauce is all ready. This is the fantastic, simple Alfredo sauce. This is how the sauce, how thickness of the sauce has to be. It has coated the spoon. Now, if you like this Alfredo sauce recipe, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and follow us on our food blog, topperchef.com. Happy cooking!